Hello everyone, welcome back to Advent Gaming. Today we will talk about the new AMD Radeon 9700 and then Zen 9700 XT. I did a small research to see what the prices will be, and we think that the 9070 will be around 650 dollars, and the XT model will be around 700 $800. Of course, there are multiple mainly different prices for several models. You can see that maybe some super models for 9070 can go much more than $800, and for some extreme XT models, the Reaper Gaming or Reaper Prime, the price can go up to $1,000. For European prices, you can add the tax and, of course, the cost to deliver. About the reviews, the first reviews that we see about 9700 XT, we can see that it is a card that more or less can be an inferior card to RTX 4080, and in several cases under RTX 5070 Ti. It seems to be around 7-8% slower than 5070 Ti. Slower in 1440p. At least this is what we see from Hardware Unboxed. And for 4K, we see that average this card is around 10-12% slower than 4080 and a bit faster than 4900 XT. As usual, we can propose a build about your card. If you are a DDR5, we can propose AMD Ryzen 7700X, which is a very nice CPU, and you don't have to pay a lot. Of course, this is a DDR5 solution. If you want a DDR4 solution, maybe you can go to the 5700X F3D. And if you want to go something a bit more on DDR5, maybe you can go, but okay, the price will go at least to €300 more for a 7800 3D. And okay, and then we need to see what motherboard you should take about this. Please leave me a message below if you want to see an extra build with something with more future proof, like 7800 or 9800 X3D. For cooler, if you don't want to go to something extreme, then you can go to a big wide solution with Dark Pro 5, or maybe you can go with Corsair 360 water block water solution. That didn't go more, but it is very nice. I read that this CPU can work well with a very good air cooler, so it's not for sure that you need to have a water cool solution. For motherboard, we selected this MSI B650 Tomahawk. It's a very good motherboard. If you don't want an AM5 motherboard with all these goods, maybe you can go for 30-40 euros less, and you can buy an inferior model. For memory, for sure you can go for Skill X, but we want to propose also Corsair Vengeance 32 gigabytes, at least 32 gigabytes. Very good memory. It can work very well, even if it is CL30. 6000 megahertz, you can go up to 6400, but I don't know if it works more, unless you want to buy some memory that will be more future proof. For storage, it's up to you. I use Samsung and Crucial. Till now, they are very good. Crucial 3 Plus 1 terabyte, just to put your games, and one Crucial P3 Plus 500 gigabytes, just for your programs and your startup for Windows, etc. It's always better to use 2 disks instead of one. For case, for sure, we suggest Corsair 4000X. It is on a very nice price from what I saw, the RGB version. For sure you can go to 4000D, etc., but 4000X is a bit better, and okay, if you don't want all the lights and some extra things, maybe you can go out to Corsair 4000D. I didn't have we were not able to test Corsair 3500, so I cannot tell you the truth, but for 4000X that I use as a secondary PC, it was very well, and we don't have any issues. As for power supply, the All Trust Corsair power supply is very good. If you want the latest model, you can go directly to the 4024 RM750X. If you want it to be a bit more powerproof and try systems that they are a bit higher, then you can go to the 850X, but it will be a bit more expensive. Okay, we always talk about the 80 plus gold models and more. So all this, it's about $600, and then you can add around $600, $700 for your CPU. Sorry, for your GPU. So you can have a system. Maybe if you can change some things, you can take something less. You can go up to 1,600, maybe 500 for a good solution. If you go a bit more, if you want, please let me know on the comments. If you want a more future-proof solution, maybe we can go for $300, $400 more. Please let me know if you want. On other news, new graphic drivers were released today by Nvidia. They support 5070. They also support the new games like Master Hunter, and of course the new, let's say, the upgrade that Grand Theft Auto took. We haven't tested it yet. It would be nice to test it with 4090, maybe with 3060 and the new drivers. Please let me know if you want more. Okay, if you like the video, please like the video and leave a nice comment. Till then, have fun.